Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Pink color, green color, orange color, purple color, blue color, chocolate color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: pentagon, rectangle, arrow, rhombus, heart and octagon. First we're going to draw the shapes. Next, rectangle. Next kids, arrow. Next, rhombus. Next kids, heart. Next, octagon. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, pentagon. Next, chocolate color, rectangle. Next, blue color, arrow. Next, orange color, rhombus. Next, pink color, heart. Next, purple color, octagon. What we learn? We learn green color, pentagon, chocolate color, rectangle, blue color, arrow, orange color, rhombus, pink color, heart, purple color, octagon. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.